I think the future is how can you add value and a relevant experience to the consumer, not as just a consumer, but as an individual. So I think data has a lot to play there. A, to be custodians of that data, to make sure it's secure and compliant, but also to be relevant onto what she or he wants, how to get better about their skin, how to predict what's next. And so I think that there's a lot of opportunity, especially with AI and generative AI, when it comes to personalizing content, when it comes to really helping predict, again, the next best action of a consumer. I also think that it's also empowering our employees, our beauty consultants around the world. And it's also helping people where they themselves want to take on their own journey. Currently, we integrate artificial intelligence in our recommendation engine. We also have something called the facial condition analyzer that has AI built in using research and development data, and it has algorithms that can help you really identify the skin problems that you have and that you will get, and helps you with that brighter future. And those tools actually help and enable a discourse between the user and the consumer and the personal beauty professional to find the right shade or the right skin regimen for them. And the way that we look at the metaverse, we're still piloting and experimenting, but we've seen a lot of traction on users adopting certain experiences and technologies. We have seen a lot of people interested in digital assets and goods and creating even their own profile pictures to represent themselves. So I think it's an opportunity for people to really be individuals. We've had over 20 plus metaverse activations across our color brands, across our skincare brands. We've had some activations where people are buying or a lip color or eyelashes, along with merch and gear, and they're really expressing themselves that way. I think the opportunity in the future is how do you take, and we see this with fashion brands, where people are co-creating or creating something, and then it's being sold as a real life good. So I think that's the bridge in which where beauty is going to experiment next. What's interesting to people and what can resonate, and then how can maybe you create that product in real life.